Welcome to itdesk.tv. Welcome to itdesk.tv, and today I'm going to be talking to you about a trend in information technology that you have to be ready for. This trend is artificial intelligence, AI. Now, AI is everywhere right now. It's in everything for automation. It's in so many inventory processes that we have going right now. AI is basically everywhere. Now, how do you apply this? What are we talking about when I say AI? Have you ever been to some websites where when you go there, you see a chat box on there that's asking you, how are you? How are you doing? What can we do to help you? And things like that. That's a simple form of AI. That's what I'm talking about. The takeover. So now there no longer does it need to have a person there answering your questions and your inquiries. Artificial intelligence is now their AI that's going to answer those basic things. And that's just a simple form of AI. So today, let me show you what one of those programs look like in our Python and what's going to be for the future. Let's have a look at the Python code with a simple AI. Okay, so right here we defined a function. We defined a function called AI responses that takes input from a user. Now, in the second line here of that function is where there are the different types of greetings that we may get from the user. Hello, hi, hey, greetings, howdy, what's up, whatagwan, Jamaica type thing. When the person is ready to leave, they'll say things like goodbye, bye, see you, farewell. Let's put another one in here. Jamaican, later. Now that may be one of the slangs. Now the responses from the AI. This is the responses, and these are what we call like an array of responses to some questions. Now if you ask, who are you? The AI is supposed to respond, I am a basic AI. If you ask, how are you? AI will respond, I am fine, are you okay? And put a question sign there. It's asking you to say something else. And default, if you ask it something that it doesn't know, it's going to say, sorry, I don't understand that. I only give it a few things, but as you see, you could develop on this to give responses based on what the person would need or what the person would ask. The user input comes in, and that user input will be taken and converted to a lowercase. So that's going to be displayed on the screen. Now we have a for loop that simply says, while you have a greeting, for greeting in greetings, which is the greetings up top here, if what you input is contained in this list that I put here, it's going to return the message, hello, how can I help you? Okay, so it's supposed to respond with default if it doesn't get from you one of the responses that we're looking for. That's pretty much all it's doing. And two for loops. If you give it a response with one of the farewells, like you're telling it, see you, bye, later, or anything like that, then it will respond right here, goodbye, have a great day. So this is a simple AI, and like I said, this is all it took to make it using Python. Okay? So when the program runs and starts up, you'll see print my first AI program, and then there's a while loop, user input, you put your input in, it's converted to lowercase, and then if your input is equal to exit, it's gonna say goodbye and just break. Otherwise, it's gonna come down to the response, put what you input into the function called AI responses up top, and then display what the response is, because you see in the actual function here, the end result is to return the response. Okay, and if it gets here, it's going to return goodbye, have a great day, and it will stop right there and not go any further. If it gets here, it will return that and come back out. But if it doesn't get any of those, it's going to respond to default with saying, I'm sorry, I don't understand that. It's not a lot of code, it's pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and run this. My first AI project. Check this out. Hey. Now the reason why, hey, it asks me, hello, how can I help you, is because hey is found in the list of the greetings that was there. Let's use another one that's not in the greetings. AI says, I'm sorry, I don't understand that. Because it's not in the greetings, it's not in the farewell, it's not in the greetings, it's not in the farewell. It has to come down here and it's going to input and return the default, which is, I'm sorry, I don't understand that. So that's what's going on in the code. Let's type something else. Howdy. How can I help you? Now, the responses that we have set up, I could set up way more, but I'll just set up a few. Who are you? If I ask it that, it's going to answer, I am a basic AI. So check this out. Who are you? AI response, I'm a basic AI. And I can put as many questions as I want in this list here, going down, and the AI will provide those answers. This is a basic one. It's not learning as we go. This is an AI that could be set up to basically just address persons on a website and simply answer specific questions that's on the site. And you probably have seen things like these. You've probably interacted with them before and didn't realize. This is the wave of the future. ITdesk.tv, unlocking doors.